Hello from the National Weather Service in Missoula. This is Travis Booth with your planning briefing for Thursday, December 2nd. We'll just start off by looking at the weather threat matrix. Not much going on for Friday. As we get into Saturday, we're expecting a system to pass through that one will present the chance at some snow bands during the afternoon and evening. Snow on the passes, and also some wind, especially for southwest Montana. So that's Saturday. We'll probably have some lingering snow into early Sunday, but overall Sunday is going to be a pretty nice day. Another weather system sneaks through on Monday into early Tuesday. And this one's kind of interesting because the snow level should be low enough for the chance of snow all the way to valley floor. So perhaps some more widespread snowfall than we've really seen of late, but we'll talk more about that as we go. So I wanted to start off with a model reflectivity for the day on Saturday and just kind of walk you through how this progresses. The day starts off with kind of some light to moderate snow across northwest Montana, and we are thinking that there's a chance we could see a little bit of light snow in the valleys themselves up there, but we'll talk some more about that as we go. As we get into the early afternoon hours, you'll kind of take note how the precipitation breaks up some and it gets more convective. And the animation actually ends here at 4 p.m. As far as this is all the model data that was available, but we're interested in an area kind of from the Mission Valley southward into southwest Montana, including the I-90 corridor for a potential for some snow bands. That seems to be the most likely area right now, and that would be Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. Stick with us as that area could change around some, but the concern being, getting the roads wet and then potentially some icy spots developing with that. So we'll keep an eye on that one. With the wind side of it, this is 10-meter wind gust. This is just the mean value that we're coming up with, and this is all in knots, but miles per hour are pretty similar. And I focused in on southwest Montana. So here's Missoula with 39 knots, and then we have some 40, 45 knots as you're going along I-90 from Deer Lodge to Butte. These winds are similar to the gusts we've seen the past couple days, perhaps just a little bit stronger in this southwest, west central and southwest Montana area. So that's something to keep in mind. And then across northwest Montana and then north central Idaho, more like 25 to 35 mile per hour gust on Saturday. So looking at Saturday, we did mention that it would be showery, so knocking down just for sure snow totals is a little tricky with those showers and potential banding, but across northwest Montana, it starts off as more of a stratiform widespread event, so these totals are a little more higher confidence, I should say. So we got like 6 or 7 inches on US 2 Essex to Marias Pass. Here's that 1 inch for Kalispell, Libby, Troy, is that potential for a light dusting of snow in the valleys. And as you get further south, snow levels will be higher, so this may just be rain showers, at least at first. And then once again, kind of this area, Mission Valley, southward into southwest Montana, potential for some snow banding as we get into the later part of Saturday, something to keep an eye out for. Now looking at the Monday system, so here's the 24-hour probability of an inch of snow or greater, and this goes from Monday morning through Tuesday morning. So the thing that really stands out is, you got 60% or greater in a pretty large area for north central Idaho and then western Montana. We really haven't seen this widespread threat for valley snow in quite a while, and it doesn't look heavy, but it could certainly be an impact. If we look at the probability for the same time period of 4 inches or greater, things go down really quickly. You can see there's some 20s in the valleys like Kalispell and Missoula, and even lesser for southwest Montana, 20% chances. Still a fairly high chance, 50-60% chance for some of the higher terrain in these western passes. But the main idea being, it looks like there's a potential for more widespread snow than we've seen of late, Monday into early Tuesday, including the valleys. with fairly light amounts, it looks at this point in the valleys, and then the potential for moderate amounts on the terrain. If we go even further out and we're looking at late next week into early the following week, the trend is toward above normal precipitation across the Northern Rockies. So we see at least a pretty good confidence in that. And then if we look at temperatures, we're kind of in the middle. Near normal to slightly above normal is the higher probabilities as far as temperatures go. So, you know, compared to what we've seen lately, these really warm temperatures, getting back to seasonable, really what that means, if you're saying there's a good chance of above normal precipitation, is we're certainly going to have you know, a few systems passing through every couple days that'll lead to mountain snowfall. But with those temperatures being more seasonable, perhaps the valleys will see some snow as well as we, you know, get into the second week of December, excuse me. Now I have quite a few of these bar graphs that show the snow for every 6-hour period for various sites, this being Marias Pass, and then the temperature curve here. And I'm not going to really stop and talk about each one a whole lot, but I think they are of value to the user if you want to stop and, you know, pause and kind of look at a few of the different sites. But for Marias, we talked about here's your 6 or 7 inches of snow as it starts Friday evening and lasts into Saturday afternoon. Kind of interesting here too is if you look the temperature curve here, once you get to this evening, Thursday evening, it stays below freezing all the way into Monday. So that's something to take of note for Marias Pass. Kalispell, you can see the hints of a light bit of snow there on Saturday. Temperatures could be somewhat marginal for impactful snow, but we'll have to see. And then as you look toward Monday, you can see that chance of some light snow as well. Lookout Pass, 1, 2, 3 inches on Saturday, and then higher totals as we get into Monday. You can also see the temperature drops on Saturday and then looks to stay below freezing late Saturday all the way through later Monday at least. Lolo Pass looks similar to Lookout. Missoula, you can just see the little hints there that we talked about of some measurable snow as we get into Monday. And this will be, you know, somewhat temperature dependent, and then if we see much downsloping into the valleys and what impact that has. So something to keep an eye on. Those temperatures right around freezing to begin the day, so it could make for an interesting commute on Monday morning. Whitebird Grade there in north central Idaho. You see that reflection of some light snow on Monday. Pierce, same kind of idea. We're looking at Lost Trail, just a touch of snow Saturday, and then certainly higher totals possible on Monday. Same idea, or another thing to kind of take away is starting Saturday afternoon below freezing all the way through Monday. Butte, just some little hints of snow. Monday is kind of interesting to watch. If the track of the weather system that's passing through changes, this could certainly end up higher than what it's shown here, so something to keep an eye on. And then same thing for Salmon. It's really going to depend on the track of the low. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us. You have a good day.